Sex is not for pleasure. Sex in marriage is for holiness. Sex in marriage is for the defense and preservation of the human body from corruption, death, afflictions, and demons that come through the channels and legalities of unholy sexual intercourse. The realms are governed by laws. There are demons that you can never overcome until you padlock your private part. There are certain afflictions that you can never overcome until you go into sexual dignity. Until you overcome your sexual urges. There are some afflictions you can never overcome until you come out of the coven of sexual immorality. Because these spirits are highly legal.